money or the new book?
Why don't you change your money?
This book price is very expensive. I don't have any money.
How about you change the book by the new book that you photocopy?
Yes, I think if I photocopy this book, this is more cheap.
It is a good idea.
I think like that. Thanks, Aas.